Just got home from the job. Hello guys, this is Rajat from rajatstudio.com. So today I was having this discussion with a developer friend of mine, and he was telling me that he has built so many software products, or you can say apps, in the past. And as soon as I asked him, like, dude, can you show me some of your past work? Then he got blank. Like, dude, that was the thing I did in past and I don't have anything ready which I can show you. And then he just kept pressurizing his brain to just remember the URLs of the product or the website he has built in the past, and that can be live. So he was trying it, and most of the products or the websites were down. He had nothing to show me that he has done some kind of work in the past. So this is the video about that thing, that I personally think that developers also need some kind of portfolio, just like our designer friends. So let's get started. So why do I think that developers need portfolios? See, if you are into a creative business like developers, designers and artists, right, you need a central place where you can host all of your projects, so that as soon as someone is going to ask about all of your past and present experiences, you can easily forward that person or body or any company to that particular hub, and they can explore on their own whatever they are interested in, instead of you giving them the references to the individual item of your portfolio one by one, so they can go onto your website or what portfolio what you are having, what you have built for yourself, and they can explore for the things they are interested in. So I think that is the primary motive of any portfolio. The second thing I believe that portfolio can actually help you with is that it can create a timeline or a repository of all your past experiences. Like, as an individual or as a human being, we are into a habit of forgetting things, right? I don't even remember what I was doing or what I was building just 15 days ago. I don't seriously remember it, right? And this kind of thing happened with many of our developer friends. So you won't actually remember that what projects you built last year, right? So if you are into a habit of updating your portfolio from time to time, as soon as you launch some products, you update with a case study and the things you have done to create that product, it will act as a timeline that in June 2015 you have built this, and October 2016 you have built this, and currently you are working on this project. So it can act as a timeline so that people can see that you have been working on so many products and from varied technologies and what actually interests you. So it will act as a convincing force for the people who are interested in hiring you as an employee or as a freelancer. So that is the thing. The third thing which I think that portfolios can help you with is exhibiting your skill set. Like, consider a previous example of it can act as a timeline. So on the timeline I told you that you can enlist the case studies along with the technologies you have used in your project. So if a person goes to your website and he sees that you have built 3 Java projects, and one was using Spring Boot, one was using Play framework, and the other one was using some other framework, or maybe one of the 2 frameworks I have mentioned earlier. So they can see that you really have a hands-on experience with Spring Boot or Play framework, and you can really build product. And luckily, if your websites or your projects are live by the time that person is checking out, he can get really impressed and he can actually try your product to see what kind of things you can build for him or her. So in that case, if you want to get some freelance project or if you want to get hired into the company, you can easily forward your resume or your online portfolio to these people, so these people can get really impressed with your skill set and they can really see that you are really into the shit you are talking about. Excuse for that word, but seriously, it will act as a demonstrator of your skill set. As we have talked that most of the companies these days are considering your portfolios as the real life or the living examples of that you walk the talk, right? So you know your technology and you have built some real products using the technologies you know, right? So most of the companies or recruiters get really impressed when you show them or when you redirect these people to your portfolio, and when they can see real products or real projects on your portfolio, they can try it and they can get to know your actual talent. So if you want to get hired quickly, I think that portfolios can help you in that particular scenario, and online portfolios are a great way to prove your candidature and to prove that you can be a valuable asset who can deliver products and who can get shit done. Yet another reason can be that a live portfolios is 100 times better than some of the articulated things printed on a piece of paper, which is known as your CV. Portfolio is the living CV, and CV is just a mumbo jumbo of technical terms thrown together, or maybe something like ambitious mumbo jumbo thrown together on a piece of paper. I'm not undermining the importance of CVs. CVs are important, but yes, it can never overthrow the importance of a living online portfolio, which can actually demonstrate in real time whatever the client is interested in. Plus, in that particular CV or the script you are delivering to the client on a piece of paper, they cannot scan for the keywords or whatever, right? On your portfolio they can do it. They can do the control F and search for the words they are interested in and search for the fields they are interested in, right? So I hope that I have convinced you guys to build your online portfolios so that you can get hired or you can get those freelance projects you have been hoping for. You can really impress your clientele and you can really demonstrate that you know your shit well. If you really like what I am doing here to help other developer friends of mine who I don't know personally, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and forward this video to some of your developer friends so that they can also benefit from the advice. If you and your friends are not having a portfolio, you should really go out there and start building one. And maybe in my next videos I can talk about how you can easily build your online portfolios. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.